plumber who shows up to snake your drain for $200 has never called another plumber to snake his own drain. Not once. Not in 20 years. His kitchen sink runs clean. His shower drains fast. His bathroom sink has never backed up. And the reason is not better pipes or professional-grade equipment hidden under his counter. It is a 15-minute routine he runs once a month that costs him about $2. A routine he has absolutely no incentive to teach you because your clog drain is how he pays his mortgage. A drain clog is almost never a sudden event. It feels sudden because one day the water just stops going down. But that clog has been building for weeks, sometimes months. Every time you wash dishes, take a shower, or brush your teeth, tiny amounts of soap scum, grease, hair, and skin oil go down the drain. Most washes through. A small percentage sticks to the pipe walls, layer by layer, like plaque building in an artery. So slowly you never notice until the opening is so narrow that everything backs up, and you're on the phone scheduling a $200 visit. Not a $9 bottle of chemical drain cleaner that generates 200-degree heat inside your pipes, corrodes cast iron, warps PVC joints, and burns a narrow channel through the middle of the clog, while leaving the bulk of the buildup bonded to the pipe walls. Guaranteeing the drain slows again in 3 weeks and you buy another bottle. Not a $150 enzyme treatment subscription that requires 6 to 8 hours of contact time in a pipe, where water flows regularly, making the bacteria useless before they finish digesting anything. Not a $300 professional drain cleaning call for a problem that 15 minutes and $2 of powder would have prevented entirely. The average homeowner calls for drain cleaning 2 to 3 times over a decade. That is $400 to $600 spent on a problem that costs $40 total to prevent over the same 10 years, washing soda, mesh strainers, and 60 seconds of attention per month. The plumbing maintenance industry generates over $50 billion a year. Drain cleaning calls are what plumbers call bread and butter work. Quick, easy, and well paid. Nobody in the industry runs an ad saying buy a $2 box of washing soda and you will never need to call me. That is not a conspiracy. That is just economics. And the information gap between what your plumber knows and what you know is worth $400 to $600 per household per decade. This is the story of the monthly drain routine that every plumber runs at home, and the $2 habit of $50 billion industry has no reason to teach you. If these stories matter to you, the subscribe button and the bell are the best way to make sure this knowledge survives. And if you want the complete protocol with all 60 hacks that save households over $4,000 a year, the link is in the description. Now here's the full system. Every piece in the right order. The monthly flush. This is the core habit. Pick one night a month when you are done using the sinks for the evening and boil a full kettle of water. While it heats, pour half a cup of washing soda. Sodium carbonate, not baking soda. Directly into each drain. Then slowly pour the boiling water down after it. The hot water activates the washing soda and pushes it through the pipes. The alkaline solution at pH 11 to 12 breaks the molecular bonds holding grease to the pipe walls through a reaction called saponification, converting the fat into water-soluble soap that flushes away with the next morning's water. Do this at night because you want the solution sitting in the pipes for hours while nobody runs water. By morning, everything that was loosened washes away on its own. Hit every drain in the house. Kitchen sink, bathroom sinks, shower, bathtub. The whole process takes 15 minutes. A $3 box of washing soda lasts about 2 years of monthly treatments. Cost per month, pennies. The strainer system. Put mesh strainers on every single drain in the house. Stainless steel mesh in the kitchen sink catches food particles. Small mesh discs on bathroom sinks catch hair and toothpaste chunks. Flat silicone or stainless steel hair catchers in the shower and tub. A full set for every drain costs $10 to $15 and lasts for years. Clean them every few days. In the kitchen after every big cooking session. In the shower, pull the hair off after every use. 3 seconds. That mesh screen stops debris before it enters the pipe, which means the monthly flush has less work to do. The two habits stack. If you've made it this far, you already know more about drain maintenance than 99% of homeowners, and most of them are about to spend $200 on a problem you just learned to prevent for pennies. Subscribe and share this with someone whose kitchen sink has been draining slow since March. Now, what I just walked you through handles drain maintenance across your whole house. But plumbing is one bill out of dozens that most households are overpaying every single month. I put together a complete protocol covering 60 hacks just like this one. each one replacing an expensive product or service with something that costs almost nothing. Households running the full system are saving over $4,000 a year. The link is in the description. But stay right here, because the next 3 pieces are the ones the plumber definitely never mentioned. The pop-up stopper trick. This is the 60-second fix that eliminates the #1 cause of slow bathroom sink drains. And most homeowners have never done it once in their lives. Pull up the pop-up stopper on your bathroom sink. That is the plug that moves up and down when you pull the rod behind the faucet. On most sinks, grab it and pull straight up. On some models, twist a quarter turn first, then pull. Once it is out, look at the bottom. There is going to be a disgusting clump of hair, soap scum, and slime wrapped around the base. That mass is sitting 2 inches below the drain opening, choking the flow. It has nothing to do with what is deep in the pipe. It is right there. Clean it off with a paper towel. Use an old toothbrush to scrub the rod in the stopper itself. Look down to the drain opening. More gunk clinging to the pivot rod. Clean that too. Reassemble. Run the water. That drain will flow like it is brand new. Do this the same day you do your monthly flush. 60 seconds. It prevents roughly 80% of bathroom sink clogs by itself. Every plumber knows about this. Almost no homeowner has ever pulled that stopper out. The garbage disposal reset. If you have a disposal, it needs monthly cleaning. Food particles get trapped under the splash guard and around the grinding plate. They rot. They smell. And the buildup feeds into your drain pipe downstream. Dump 2 cups of ice cubes into the disposal. Add half a cup of coarse kosher salt. Run the disposal with cold water for 30 seconds. The ice and salt scour the interior walls and the grinding plate clean. Then cut a lemon in half and grind both halves through with cold water running. The ice scrubs. The salt abroads. The lemon deodorizes. Total cost, less than $1. Total time, 2 minutes. One critical detail is always run cold water when using the disposal. Not hot. Cold water keeps any grease in the food solid so the blades can chop it and send it through. Hot water melts the grease into liquid that resolidifies 15 feet downstream where this pipe runs horizontal. Exactly the spot you cannot reach with a plunger. The flushable wipes truth. This one needs to be said plainly. Flushable wipes are one of the biggest lies in household products. They do not break down like toilet paper. Plumbers have pulled wads of them out of sewer lines that look like they went in yesterday, even though they had been sitting there for months. They snag on pipe joints. They catch other debris. They create blockages deep in your sewer line that cost $500 or more to clear. The toilet is designed for 2 things: human waste and toilet paper. Everything else goes in the trash. Every time. The P-trap fix. If you have a drain you do not use often, a basement floor drain, a guest bathroom sink, a utility sink in the garage, and it starts smelling like sewer gas, the problem is almost certainly a dried out P-trap. The P-trap is the curved section of pipe under every drain that holds a small amount of water as a seal against sewer gases. If a drain sits unused for a few weeks, that water evaporates and the gas comes straight up into your house. The fix takes 5 seconds. Run water in that drain for 15 seconds every couple of weeks to keep the trap full. Set a phone reminder. Problem solved permanently. The Troubleshooting Guide. Gurgling sounds when water drains. And that is a venting issue, not a clog. Every drain connects to a vent pipe going through the roof. If a vent gets blocked by leaves, a bird nest, or winter ice, air cannot flow, and you get gurgling. Washing soda will not fix this. Check the roof vents or call a professional. Multiple drains slow at the same time. Red flag. The blockage is in your main sewer line, not individual branches. Tree roots, collapsed pipe, or a major grease buildup deep in the system. Do not attempt this yourself. Call a professional. I need to be honest about one thing. The monthly routine prevents a buildup from accumulating. It does not clear an existing clog. If your drain's already slow right now, you may need a manual snaking first to clear what has built up over months or years. Then start the monthly routine to prevent it from coming back. A hand-crank drain snake costs $15 to $20 at any hardware store and physically removes blockages without touching the pipe walls. The complete calendar. Here's what the full routine looks like. The same one the plumber runs at his own house. First of every month. Boil water, half cup of washing soda down every drain, flush with boiling water. 15 minutes for the whole house? Same day. Pull and clean the pop-up stoppers on every bathroom sink, 60 seconds each. Same day, ice, salt, and lemon through the garbage disposal. 2 minutes, every couple of weeks. Run water in any drain you do not use regularly, 5 seconds each. Daily, wipe greasy pans with a paper towel before they go in the sink. Run 30 seconds of hot water after washing dishes to chase residue through the trap. Always. Mesh strainers on every drain, cleaned every few days. Never. Chemical drain cleaners, grease down the drain, flushable wipes down the toilet, pasta, rice, flour, coffee grounds, or potato, peels down the disposal. Total monthly time, 20 minutes. Total in annual cost, under $10. Total drain cleaning service calls over a decade, 0. A plumber in Cincinnati documented this on a form in 2021. He had been called to the same house twice in 18 months for slow kitchen drains. On the second visit, he recommended the monthly washing soda flush. He reported he had not received another service call from that address in over 3 years, despite removing a recurring revenue source. His comment received over 600 responses from other plumbers describing the same routine and the same ethical tension. The chemistry inside that $9 bottle of chemical drain cleaner generates extreme heat that corrodes pipes from the inside, while burning a partial channel through the clog it will be repurchased to address again next month. The routine inside a $2 box of washing soda, a $10 set of strainers, and 60 seconds of attention per month prevents the buildup from ever forming in the first place. One requires a recurring purchase and accelerates a pipe damage. The other requires a calendar reminder in 20 minutes on the first of every month. $50 billion in annual plumbing maintenance revenue depends on you never setting a monthly phone reminder to pour $2 of washing soda down your drains. $9 chemical cleaners depend on you believing that a slow drain requires a caustic reaction hot enough to warp PVC. And $200 service calls depend on you never pulling the pop-up stopper out of your bathroom sink and cleaning the hairball sitting 2 inches below the drain opening. This knowledge did not disappear because it stopped working. It disappeared because it worked too cheaply for anyone to build a service business around it. Saponification does not care about service invoices. A mesh strainer does not negotiate with dispatch scheduling. And a box of washing soda has never charged a licensing fee. If this video changed how you think about the slow drain in your kitchen, the chemical cleaner under your sink, or the pop-up stopper you have never once pulled out of your bathroom sink, then subscribe and share it now. Every single share puts this knowledge in front of someone who is about to spend $200 on a 15-minute problem. And every subscription keeps this channel digging deeper into the secrets they thought were sealed forever. The full protocol with all 60 hacks is in the description. Everything the industry buried in one place.